my name is Rachita Mathur, currently working as a legal intern at LexClick. So today I will be discussing one case and the name of the case is B. Varalakshmi versus Union of India and others. In this case, recently the Madras High Court directs state to not insist on RT-PCR report while deciding a compensation claim if CT scan test confirm COVID-19. So, on Tuesday, the Madras High Court has ordered the health authorities of Tamil Nadu government to process the claim for compensation to petitioner widow of a private medical practitioner who contracted COVID-19 infection on duty and succumbed to it without insisting for his RT-PCR report. A bench comprising of single judge held that the authorities need not insist on the production of RT-PCR report for processing the claim where a more clinching evidence, that is CT scan report, is being produced. Further, it was being stated by the petitioner had made a claim under PM Garib Package Insurance Scheme for health workers who are fighting for COVID-19, for which it provides a coverage of 50 lakh rupees for both public hospital care providers as well as for doctors and staff who are belonging to private hospital if they die due to COVID-19. Now, she submitted that her husband, who was also treating COVID-19 patients, started feeling the symptoms of COVID-19. Then he was immediately rushed to the COVID hospital, to the private hospital, where he was tested COVID positive. His CT chest COVID screening test was being done, and COVID-19 was being detected. So, due to this COVID-19, he died because of this, and subsequently the petitioner, that is her wife, moved make an application before the concerned authorities seeking for the insurance coverage that has been provided to her by the said scheme. The same was declined by the Joint Director of Health Service in the absence of RT-PCR report of the test report that results of her deceased husband. It was the petitioner's case that she had submitted all the relevant documents to the department, but she was not in the possession of RT-PCR report since her husband was directly subjected to CT chest COVID screening test by the private hospital. In these circumstances, the judge further observed that it is very clear that the CT chest COVID screening test that the husband of the petitioner was infected with COVID-19 and such a clinching document is being available. There is no requirement for insisting for RT-PCR test result. In case of this nature, the authority must not stick to technicalities and claim must be considered with more humanness and with the available document which clearly state the fact that the petitioner husband was suffering from COVID-19. The bench further directed to the Joint Director of Health Service to process the claim that was being made by the petitioner without insisting for RT-PCR test results, and observed that if otherwise requirements are being satisfied, the authority shall process her claim form and forward the same to the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Tamil Nadu, within 2 weeks. The state, on receipt of a record, is being directed to forward the same to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare within a period of 4 weeks. Therefore, for final consideration within 4 weeks of thereafter. That's all. Thank you.